Well, hello there. Welcome to MX24 Event Hub, your show plug to events happening in and around the city. My name is Afi Nuna, and I am your special event curator. Don't forget, if you want tickets to any event happening around you, all you have to do is visit mx24.event. Go explore. There's a lot of events happening, from fitness and wellness to concerts to shows to productions to live stage plays, etc. I mean, just name it, award ceremony, everything. Just go to mx24.event, grab your ticket, and let's meet there. Now, if you want your event amplified on our platform, it's simple. Visit mx24.event and list your event, and we will reach out to you. Or you can send us a WhatsApp message on 059-888-9441. 059-888-9441. Today in my hot seat is Kwame Doe, and we are talking Accra Bar Show, which is happening between 7th to 9th of August. Hello, Kwame.
Hi.
How you doing?
Okay, how about you?
I'm good. Accra Bar Show, can you tell us a bit about it?
Okay, so the Accra Bar Show is what we call the Drinks and Hospitality Expo. First of its kind in West Africa, actually.
That's right.
So that's a win.
Right.
Yeah, that's a win for Ghana. Basically, the whole idea of the bar show is to bring together both local and international players within the beverage and hospitality industry. So it's basically a convention of brands, professionals in the industry to come together to share new ideas, to interact with each other, to learn from each other. I mean, we create the avenue for that interaction to happen between the brands, the consumers, the professionals that work in the industry, without making it a commercial event.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so all your favorite, both local and international brands are going to be there.
Okay.
So there's going to be Afro, there's going to be Kasapreko.
Oh, good.
There's going to be Amamre. There's going to be Johnny Walker. There are some wines. There are some products that are not yet in the market, some sake and stuff like that.
Okay.
We bring together all of that, so you get into the event. You can engage all these brands that are exhibiting. You engage them. You taste their products. They give you information on where to buy from, how to be able to tell the fake from the originals. How you can pair them with other beverages.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And then in the middle of all that interaction, we are running educational sessions as well. So there are seminars, there are conferences. Some of the brands are running workshops.
Oh, okay.
For industry professionals as well. So then that happens on the 7th and the 8th at Movenpick Hotel. But one other thing we've added is the Accra Bar Week.
Oh, okay.
Which starts from the 6th, so Thursday, 7th, Friday, 8th, Saturday, across your favorite bars in Accra. And to make this more exciting, we are bringing in bartenders from around the world. So we've got bartenders from Kenya, we've got bartenders from South Africa, we've got a team from Nigeria, we've got a team from Cote d'Ivoire, we've got a team from Greece, we've got one from Scotland, there's Belgium, there's Italy, and they're all coming to work in Ghanaian bars. So your top Ghanaian bars, there's Front Bar, there's Aria, there's Soul Lounge, there's One-to-One Bar inside Movenpick, there's Asana Bar and Kitchen in Kempinski, there's Sky Bar. I mean, information overload, right?
Yeah.
You can get all of that info on our socials and our website. So Accra Bar Show on Instagram and TikTok. Our website www.accrabarshow.com. You get all the info you need with the timings and the schedules for all the events happening during the week.
Oh. Okay, so you have some bartenders and mixologists coming in from all over the world into our motherland. So if you want to taste mixes from all over the world, that is the best place for you to be. If you're a mixologist in Ghana too, I think this is an opportunity for you to explore or experience other mixes from other parts of the world, so that you can also flex when you enter your bar.
Sharp up.
Is there going to be an award ceremony or something?
So we are running a national cocktail competition.
Oh.
Where the winner represent Ghana in the International Bar Association World Cocktail Competition in China in October.
Hey! Oh, there's something like that.
Yeah, there's a World Cup for bartenders. There's a World Cup
for bartenders.
Yes, that's basically a World Cup for bartenders.
Because when I stand and I mix things, you like it.
No problem.
So please, when will you employ me?
I don't. So the thing is, I don't run a bar.
Oh.
But I can link you to.
Link me.
But you have to go to like 3 years of training.
Yeah, just my own is to talk. Okay, so before we continue with the conversation, have a look at this video showcasing some things that you're going to see at the Ghana Bar Week and some things to expect. And when we come back, we'll continue with the conversation. All right, we're still talking Accra Bar Show happening between 7th and 9th. There's also the Accra Bar Week already, starting very soon from the 6th, right? And in my hot seat is Kwame Do. Kwame Do, who can come for this event? Because on your flyers, we see drink responsibly, not for persons under age of 18. But the bar doesn't only sell alcohol. So who can come, who can't come? How do we get there? Processes, everything.
So yeah, because it's going to be a lot of alcohol on offer, we try to limit it to aged 18 and above. But I mean, if there's a guardian, they can come with a kid and make sure that the child doesn't drink, even though it's still a heavy alcohol environment.
Oh.
But yes, we encourage responsible drinking. And we say a big thank you to Blue Chem Industries, producers of Belacqua. So then, when you drink, you need to hydrate. Exactly. So then they are providing as much water for our attendees as they can consume to make sure that nobody goes over the top.
We all understand that one.
Yeah.
Okay, so are we paying for any of the days?
Yes. So the 7th and the 8th at Moving Pick is ticketed. So for a price of 250 cedis, you get to experience all of the activities happening at Moving Pick from 12 to 8 p.m. each day.
12 p.m. or 12 a.m.?
12 p.m.
Ah, okay.
12 p.m. to 8 p.m. each day. So you engage all the participating brands, both alcoholic, non-alcoholic, service providers. You get to partake in the master classes and the conference sessions.
Okay.
And the 250 cedis covers both days.
Oh, no, wait, so if I pay 250 cedis...
Friday, Saturday...
You're good?
Yes, your entry is covered.
You don't like this, what do you Then the 9th.
The 9th is the closing party. We are doing that at Vine. It's not ticketed, it's open. You pay for everything you consume.
Oh,
so it's
okay.
not ticketed.
Entry is free,
yes.
But drinking is payable.
Yeah. Food, drinks, you pay for everything.
You pay for it.
Okay. Same thing for the bar week at all the various bars as well. You pay directly to the bar for what you drink.
Whatever it is you want.
Yes.
Okay, we're talking Accra Bar Week, Accra Bar Show. That is between the 6th to the 9th.
Yeah.
If we are saying Accra Bar Week, 6th to 9th.
Yeah.
Accra Bar Show, 7th to 9th. You get to experience mixologists, bartenders from all over the world. That is in the bar week. And then for the bar show, you get to have a tete-a-tete with producers of alcoholic, non-alcoholic drinks from everywhere. I mean, Johnny Walker, you've seen Johnny Walker, sir. You don't know where it's coming from. Come and then learn about it. You also get to experience seminars. You get to have conversations with people in the industry to learn more. Some of you are just drinking. You don't know what you are drinking. You don't know what is inside. You don't know what it's doing to you. You don't know if it's good or not. This is an opportunity for you to learn. This is happening at Movenpick. That is 7th and 8th. Movenpick Ambassador Hotel, Accra. And that is 12 p.m. through to 8 p.m.
Yeah.
12 p.m. through to 8 p.m. 7th and 8th. Sorry, 7th and 8th. You're paying 250 cedis per for the 2 days. Then you're good to go. Then, all the other days, free entry. All the selected bars, you can see them on their socials and their website. Please put your socials out there so that
yes, so
they can...
Instagram, TikTok is Accra Bar Show, one word. With
Accra Bar Show, no space.
Yeah, no space.
No underscore, no full stop. Accra Bar Show.
Yeah.
Go, glance through, choose whichever bar you'd like to go have fun at and go and experience it. This is promising to be an amazing event.
Extremely amazing.
See, me amazing, I mean, say extremely amazing means it's not going to be boring. You think, well, maybe we are just coming to drink. No, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna learn.
Yeah.
Entertainment, yes. Guys, all too soon we have come to the end of our conversation. My name is Afi Nuna and I was here with Kwame Do. I was calling him Uncle Kwame. He said I should remove the uncle. So, Kwame Do, who is the project lead for the Accra Bar Show. This has been MX24 Event Hub. Guess what? If you want your event amplified on our platform, all you have to do is visit mx24.event and list your event and let's work. Let's put your event out there for people to see and attend. If you want tickets to an event happening around you, same link, mx24.event. Go there, buy tickets, and let's see you at your next event.